Hi everybody, welcome to day number 22 of the Advent Calendar unboxing. I'm like really close to finishing this now, as it's been 3 whole weeks of unboxing presents, 2 each day. So that's 21 times just 42 things we've opened so far, which is amazing, and we've still got 6 to go, including today's ones. So I'll just give a recap. This one was from my sister, and I thought it was like possibly a die or something because of how thin it felt, the fact that it's like bubble wrapped when they've sent it, and it did feel like a bit hard but slightly flexible and like die cuts, even though they're metal, because they're thin they do bend slightly, so that's what gave me that idea. And this one, the one that rattles, from my mum, I thought was like a knitting or yarn, like crochet kind of like boxes, like supplies or like artsy supplies sort of things. So we're just going to go ahead and do this one, as it isn't actually unwrapping, it's just from this bit here, but I hadn't peeked inside at all. I've kept it like this whole time. So oh, it is, what is it? Oh, it's an elephant. I'm going to take it out because of the shine off the plastic, makes it a bit trickier to. Hello, hi. Someone's having a munch, being nosy, wondering what we're talking about. So there is that one, little elephant with a little balloon. That's really sweet, and it's a heart-shaped balloon. I really like that. And like over the elephant, he looks like it's like florally rather than just plain. Is like a little florally elephant with a little heart balloon. That's so cute. I really like that. Oh, I'm excited to try that one. Just trying to think, when's the next opportunity I could use it for? So I got sister-in-law's birthday on Sunday, twin with my husband, both 30 obviously because they're twin, but she's not really into elephants, so I'm just thinking, when's the next birthday card I could put that on as an excuse. Daughters probably, I think, or nieces, so I'm sure we'll find a reason for it. Right, so let's move into this one. Oh yes, it is supplies of sorts. It is Winter Woodland collection, and it's, I'm just going to pop it down to show you. Looks like that's a rubber, some sticky notes, you know, like the little tabs, sticky tabs. I'm going to assume they're magnets or something. Some like reindeer stag shaped clips and bulldog clips. That looks like a sticky note pad, pencils and a sharpener, and it's in this really nice box as well. So yeah, paper clips, binder clips, magnets, eraser, sharpener, sticky notes, memo pad and pencils. It's really pretty, I like that. I'm going to open this up quickly. She says, because I just want to show you. Oh, it slides out. It's like in a tray and it slides out. I'm going to have to unstick this side, aren't I, for it to slide out. So just talk amongst yourselves. Yada, yada, yada. Did anyone ever say that to you when you were younger, like in school or something? Like, talk amongst yourselves for a minute. What do you talk about? It was only when you weren't supposed to be talking that you had something to say. But if I slide this out, you can see the bulldog clips. Oh, they're all like on a thing connected together at the minute. But it's these I wanted to have a proper look at. Ooh. You're not supposed to pinch, you're supposed to eat them. So I wanted to see. Oh, wow. Look at that paper clip. So if I'm just going to get this and hook it on the edge of this. I suppose if you like stuck it all the way down. Should I put it on a clearer side rather than on the pattern side? It's probably going to be a better idea, isn't it? Move it so I can show you what I mean. And look how cute that is. It's so sweet. But I suppose you could, if you wanted to, you could like stop it like that and it could just clip on the edge. Or you could stick it all the way on. I suppose that'd be up to you, wouldn't it? How you want to do it. If you do, obviously this bit goes back because that's where it connects onto the actual downward clip. You'd be missing. Like, but that is so sweet. And there's tons in this. That's a proper chunky pad there. Let's have a look. See. Can I get these out? One-handed is the question. Yes, I can. So nice, like thick, chunky magnet with like a clear dome on top for each of the different ones. So there is a leaf, a baby stag, a deer. I'd probably say it's probably more likely to be a hare than just a rabbit because it's wintry, isn't it? And a little fox, Arctic fox maybe. And then the rubber's got that. It's just the same on both sides. And the pencils, should we see if the pencils are any different at all? We've got, trying to work this out. This is a mixture of all of the animals. So it's got all four of these on. It's got the leaves, it's got the bits and bobs on too. Yeah, it looks like they're all the same. They're just different colours. So that's a deep blue on that one. I know it looks black on camera, but it's a very deep blue. A whitey one and like a grey coloured one. It's a bit like these colour themes that you can see throughout. Yeah, that's just the standard metal sharpener, by the feels of it. It's actually stuck down, so I'm not going to do that one-handed in case I rip everything. But this stuff is all pretty. So I'm going to empty it and pop it in there. So that is really nice. Not what I thought. Like I thought station, like a set of something. But I thought maybe like more yarn related rather than stationery. But it's really nice. It'll definitely get used. Like I use stationery all the time. So that would definitely be used. And it is really, really pretty. I love those animals on there. So that's for today's. Looking ahead to tomorrow's, yep, we've got 23. So we've got this one off of my sister and this one off of my mum. And this one is hard. So I think this is another die because of how thin it is. It feels that kind of slightly bendy metal underneath. So I'm going to go with a die from my mum. And this one I'm going to go with a roll of like fancy paper or something for die cutting. That's what I'm going to go with because it's definitely like a roll of something. Yeah, it is. And I think that's probably what that is there. So I'm going to go with that for that one. And the die cut for the one from my mum. So I'll leave it there. I'm going to go and chill out for a little bit as Christmas is only a couple of days away, so I'm just spending the evenings relaxing at the minute once I've done the videos and uploaded them for you. So as it is evening here, I'm going to head off and let you get on with your day, your evening, morning, whatever it is to you as you're watching this. Please do like and subscribe while you're here. It really helps out the channel, so thank you very much for your support, and look after yourselves and everyone around you, and I will see you tomorrow.